Hello, this is Jacob Lewis, and in my last video we made a color scheme, and in this video we're going to be applying this color scheme to a website I'm working on for a client. And this is the WordPress theme right here that I designed from scratch using Bootstrap and SCSS. And so we're going to be going in and editing the SCSS so that we can change all these colors up to match this color scheme that we've created. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this CSS processor, Koala, to convert the SCSS into CSS. You can also do this through terminal. I just like the ease of use that Koala offers. So I'm going to go ahead and add the website that we're going to be editing. So I'm going to hit this plus, and we're going to navigate to my working files. We're going to find the folder that our theme is in. I've already downloaded the theme into this folder, and here it is. Here's the custom theme I made. So we're going to hit upload, and we're going to rename this so that we know what we're working on here. Okay, so now that that's there, you can see that it's found the SCSS file and the CSS file and even this JS file. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this and then I go set output path, because right now it's putting it in a CSS subdirectory, which I don't actually want. I want it to put it in the root directory of the theme. So I'm going to click on this style.css file. I'm going to replace the extension because it needs that. And I'm going to hit save. Then hit replace here. So now you can see that the output path has changed there. And now it's good. You got to compile it for the first time, I believe, and then after that it happens automatically. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit compile. And it says it was successful. So now we should be good to go. We just leave Koala up. I can actually close this. You can see that it's up here running in the background. So now I can just go ahead and go into my code editor. I'm going to be using brackets today. So here's the SCSS file. And you can see I've set up some variables here to control various colors throughout the theme. So, if you go down into the theme, you can see here I used color, highlight color. So I can just change it once and it will change it for several different elements throughout the theme. So let's do that. Let's go grab some of those colors and make a couple changes. So I'm going to go back to Chrome here, and then I'm going to grab this blue color. So I'm going to click here, click on that and copy. Now I'm going to go back to brackets, and we'll use that as our primary color for now. We're just going to do some experimenting and see what looks good. So now we're going to use a secondary color, and I'm just going to grab this green color here. So I'm going to click there. We're going to copy that. And that's going to be our secondary color. Paste. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this purple. We're going to make that our highlight color. So let's just paste that right into here, highlight color. And then the nav background, for now we'll just make that white. The primary background, we're just going to make that white as well. We can make this full black, like so. I kind of like using a slightly off black sometimes. It's just personal preference. I think for now we'll start with full black and see how that looks. And then I hit save here. And now it should have auto-compiled the file into this style.css. So now if I go here and I say upload, I'm actually using an extension for brackets called EQFTP, and I've already connected the web server to it, so I can just upload straight from brackets. Pretty convenient. So now if I go back to the website and refresh, we see that a lot of changes have taken place. So yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for. Now let's try some other changes. Alright, so let's go back to our SCSS file. Let's try changing the background of the nav to that purple color. And see what that looks like. So I'm going to re-upload this. And let's see. So that changed that. But I'm not super crazy about that at all. So let's try a different color here. Let's grab this green. See what that looks like as the nav BG. Probably gonna have to change some of the other colors around too. Alright, so the secondary color we probably want to make something different so that we don't have clashes with our nav BG. So let's try this brighter blue as our secondary color just for now. Alright, so let's save that and take another look. Okay, we didn't upload, that's why. So let's go ahead and upload that. And now we should see our changes reflected. It's getting better, but it still needs some work. I mean, this is going to be a development in progress, but it's a good start. We're just going to need to create some sort of logo eventually and add some buttons up here, work on those styles, maybe tweak some of the other colors around. But yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show in this video, is how to edit some of those color styles using SCSS to just update everything site-wide. It makes it super easy. So, hope you learned something. Please rate and comment and subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks.